What is going on, everybody? Welcome. I hope all is well. I'm at my camp spot. So I am in Kofa Wildlife Refuge. Last week I camped on the south side of Kofa. This week I'm on the north side. But for right now, let's just go ahead and get camp set up. All right, I got camp all set up. The only thing I have to worry about is the fire ring. So in setting up, as you can see how I set up, the fire ring is kind of situated so it's kind of like right over my canopy. I'm gonna use this rock as my main rock, and then I'm just gonna build a fire ring kind of right over here. And the reason I'm doing that is, let me wander over here. So in Kofa, there's the rule is you cannot camp 100 feet from the main road. So here's the road that I came on. And you can only go 100 feet and then you can make a camp. So in deciding that I'm gonna make this my camp spot, I mean, I like the fire ring. It does need work on, but it just needs to move just a little bit that way, just so I have enough room here. That's kind of why I set up the way I set up. But for now, I'm just gonna chill, and then at some point I'll take care of the fire ring. Well, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get a sunset. The clouds rolled in earlier and it's just been cloudy pretty much all day. So it doesn't look like I'm gonna get a sunset. I did check the weather and it doesn't look like I'm gonna get a sunrise tomorrow either because it's supposed to be cloudy all night. The moon I can see, it's out, it's right there. I was thinking of doing a time lapse and getting the moon in it, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to capture it because of all the clouds. Warming up some tea right now for my, or I should say I'm warming up some water for my tea. For now, I'm just gonna chill, enjoy my tea since that's ready, and then maybe in a half an hour I'll probably spark up the fire. And then I'll get that going because I'm cooking on there. I'm making steak tonight. Figured I'd indulge a little bit and have some steak on the fire. Oh man, my food looks so good. I can't wait to go into that. I added more wood to the fire, so that's going. Can I tell you guys, the second I started the fire, the wind just kicked in. Not that bad, but it kicked in just enough, and it was blowing in that direction right into my canopy and pretty much everywhere that I needed to be, like, doing my stuff. I got so much smoke in my face, in my eyes, on my clothes. I know I'm gonna stink. But anyways, I am going to enjoy my food, the fire, my evening, and I will see you guys at some point tomorrow. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Good morning, everyone. I've just been I was enjoying the fire, my tea and my morning, man. Beautiful. Now that the sun's out, it's freaking, it's warming up. It's real nice. Let's see what the temperature is. It's 55 degrees outside right now. Gorgeous. There's no breeze, no wind. There was just that, man, last night when I turned the fire on and that wind, like, it was barely, just a little breeze. But man, it blew right into my canopy and my entire setup. And like, I know I stink like it. Freaking so much in my face. It only lasted for like maybe an hour, but man, was that annoying. And the funny thing is I postponed this trip a couple days because when I was finalizing this trip the night before, I checked the weather and I saw that the wind was going to be 30 miles an hour for the next like 2-3 days. So I was like, that ain't happening. And I postponed it. Glad I did because, I mean, it's perfect right now. It's crazy how quiet it is out here. Like, other than maybe the handful of times I heard birds, a couple planes every now and then would fly by. One vehicle did pass by the entire time I've been here. And that's it. Like at one point, I just pretty much stayed as quiet as I could, and I tried to listen for like 10 minutes what I could hear. And man, there was nothing. No crickets, no nothing. It's crazy. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. So just like normal, I appreciate you. Remember, it is only impossible until it no longer is. And hopefully I'll see you next time. All right, take care, guys.